Good morning, student. Today we shall be revising the poem The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. And this is from book Beehive, and it describes about the choices that we make in our life, and that has an impact in our future also. Now let us talk about the first stanza. The two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both and be one traveler. Long I stood and looked down one as far as I could to where it bent in the undergrowth. So here first let us talk about the rhyme scheme. The rhyme scheme here is A and then B. This is the rhyme scheme, the literary device. Then there is an anaphora here. The two lines beginning with the same word. In fact, there are the three lines, and that forms anaphora. Then there is a symbolism that is about the two roads. Two roads signifies the choices that we make. Then there is, and that is there we also see a yellow wood is there, which describes and the furthest that is the poet could see. Okay, and now let us describe what it signifies here. It is a description about the two roads which diverge. The poet says which that is are diverged to a place where the poet has to choose the one road, and he cannot see the two roads at this that is two roads he cannot see. Even he cannot travel the two roads, that is he cannot see far away to the road. Now if we see the questions based on it, what problem does the poet face? The poet faces the problem that which road to travel. Where is the poet standing? He is standing where the road diverged in two, that is two paths. That is here he is standing, and one road moves to this side and another move to this side. And then as what does the poet regret? He regrets that he cannot travel both the roads. Where did the road seem to lead? The road seemed to lead to the undergrowth bend. Okay, where the road bend. Now the second paragraph, there is where there is an alliteration. Alliteration is the repetition of the words are there, like was, wanted, the and t. There is okay. These are the alliterations here. And again, if we talk about the rhyming scheme here, it is A B A B. Same rhyming scheme here. And the passage describes about that he is trying to find out which road is better and which he should adopt in second paragraph. Okay, and he says the second road which looks him more attractive and he feels like traveling that road. So the question again here from this passage is what made the poet choose such a road? It is covered with the grass and bushes, and it appeared that traveled no one has traveled that road. What does the poet mean by just as fair? He says this road look just as fair means as beautiful. What was the similarity between the two roads? The similarity between the two roads means both looked untrodden. Was the poet happy with his choice? He wasn't happy with his choice. Okay, next paragraph describes again about that is there are the alliterations here in this paragraph. Stanza 3, the rhyme scheme is again same, A B A. And there are few of the gestures shown, like oh, I kept the first another for the another day. Okay. Now if we talk about this stanza, the stanza describes about that he is regretting. That is he both that morning equally lay. He says both were had a trodden back, and that is once they had started, he cannot return back from that road. And now the questions based on that is which road did the poet choose? he chooses, that is, which was left less traveled. What was the poet's doubt? The poet doubted if it could be any betterment for him. What is the poet describing? The poet is describing about the choices he makes. Did the poet ever return back or come back? No, he did not come back. That also signifies that once you make choices in your life, once you have taken the step, you cannot return back. Again, we see the repetition is there in the fourth stanza, then the rhyme scheme is there. And this poem signifies, this stanza describes about the regret he has and the choices he has made. How did the poet make his choices alone? Which was less travel out of two roads, which was less travel. What had made the poet difference in the poet's life? If he had taken another road, his path would have been better. And what does the term road stand for? It stand for the choice in the life. Okay, and is the poet happy with the choice of the road? No, he is not in fact happy with what he has chosen in his life. Now if we see, the poem is a description about the choices that we make in our life. If we go through it, the poem road not taken has been very common expression. The poet present a dilemma of a man, particularly situations. One day the poet, while traveling alone, reaches a spot where two roads diverged in a wood, and he entertains in conflict as to which road he should travel. For the wood journey, he stands there for a long time and then decides to choose the road which is less traveled. He leaves the other road for some other day. Later, he wishes and taken the road. At the end of the poem, he says that after ages from now, he would be traveling alone. His decision would be with a sigh. His choice of the road is less traveled road has made all the difference in his life. Thank you, students.